Watching CKWS News at Noon on Global Kingston.
Good to see you on this Wednesday afternoon. Enjoy some sunshine today and enjoy some very nice temperatures. Kingston will get to 16 degrees today and we'll slip to 11 degrees late evening. And as far as our futurecast images are concerned, yep, not a whole lot in the way of clouds. Those clouds start to build around the dinner hour. And then look at the system. It starts around the midnight, and it'll be with us all day long. Even into Friday morning, we do see the tail end of some of that system. At least it's not what Western Quebec is dealing with in Northern Quebec. Look at all that snow. So for us, it's just going to be a rain event. In fact, Environment Canada issuing rainfall warnings for much of the region. 16 degrees for Belleville today. Enjoy some sunshine. 9 degrees tomorrow. You'll be dealing with around 10 millimeters of rain, and then 11 on Friday. A little bit of light rain in the morning, and then hopefully some sunshine for you to close out the weekend. Belleville, a rainfall warning issued for you by Environment Canada. That's for overnight into tomorrow. But 18 degrees today with some sunny periods. 9 degrees tomorrow, considerably cooler. 30 millimeters of rain expected for you tomorrow, and then 10 degrees on Friday with lingering rain in the morning and then some sunshine in the afternoon. Smiths Falls, rainfall warning issued for you. 16 degrees today with some sunshine. Again, that rain begins overnight into tomorrow, pretty much all day tomorrow. 8 degrees your expected high with 25 millimeters of rain. 10 on Friday, a chance of a light rain for you. Now for Kingston, 16 degrees today with some sunny periods. 8 degrees tomorrow, 25 millimeters of rain for us, and that begins at around midnight into tomorrow. 9 degrees on Friday, some sunshine in the afternoon after a light rain in the morning. Much the same for Saturday as we climb to 8. Sunday, 7 degrees is as good as we'll get, but we're also dealing with a chance of a rain-snow mix. That's going to be in the morning, and it's not going to stick around because we do rise to 7 degrees on Sunday.
Your full forecast is brought to you by Dory Tolgessi Insurance Brokers. Car, home, and business insurance. Let us find you the value you deserve.
Yes, rainfall warnings for most of us in eastern Ontario. Once you get west of Kingston, that rainfall warning gets dropped. In Belleville, you don't have one, but that's because you're missing out on this direct hit from this long line of showers that's going to move through tomorrow. You'll get some, but not enough for the warning. 17 in Kingston for a high today. You can't complain about these temperatures. This is really nice, way above normal. Your seasonal average now is actually bumped up a notch today. It's 10, and we had 17. 16 in Smiths Falls and Brockville, 15 in Ottawa, 16 in Belleville as well, a 15 in Peterborough, 14 in Oshawa, and a 12 in Toronto. Sort of reversed. Usually Toronto's the milder one, and yeah, they're a little cooler than everybody else. South-southwest winds at 13 kilometers per hour reported at the top of the hour at Norman Rogers. 59% relative humidity. You know that's going to change once those showers get started tonight. No precipitation yet, but it's on its way, and yeah, we're past that 13-hour daylight length now. Very nice to see those days so much longer. Well, there goes the low that was tossing us a little bit of cloud, but really not doing much of anything. It's this low here that's going to come in and bring the showers tonight. Maybe 5 to 10 millimeters for most of us, but it's through the day tomorrow and through that overnight hour, the wee hours of the morning and through the day tomorrow, that you will see the heavier rain, the larger quantity of precipitation. And as this low sort of takes a back seat going retrograde, another one sort of takes its place. And once these move through, these two, you'll still have this to contend with, and you'll also have some troughing. So cottage country, don't be surprised to see a little bit of flurries mixed in with the showers as the secondary and the third low start to move through. So this is where we sit now. It's just sort of partly cloudy to mostly cloudy across eastern and southern Ontario now, but look out, there comes the rain. You'll probably see the chance of showers moving in through the late evening, maybe a little bit of a drizzle or mist early evening, but it's really more of a late evening and overnight adventure, and then you get into some heavier rain through the wee hours of the morning. First thing in the morning before sunrise, it gets pretty heavy, and just as you think it's going to sweep out of the way, it kind of goes more north than east and stays sort of in our area, and so the heavier rain moves on, but you've still got that smattering of showers, the scattered showers that move through. You will see some intermittent, and that's when you're going to see that probability drop from 90 to 100%, down to about 60% in the morning, and through the late morning, early afternoon, down to about 40%. We're not going to let go of that probability as the other low moves through. We still see that mix of sun and cloud over Friday and the chance of showers at 40%. Saturday, right back up to 70% as that other low regroups and moves through that third low. So we're not going to give up that probability entirely, but Friday seems to be the best day for sunny periods and a smaller probability. Lots of rain tomorrow. Belleville, you might see up to 20, 25 millimeters. Not enough to call a warning, but it's certainly enough rain. In Brockville, up to 9 tomorrow. You could see 10 to 20 millimeters of rain, maybe up to 30 if in the heavier stuff, and then Friday up to 11, 60% chance of showers, 80% again on Saturday with a high of 9. And Smiths Falls, rainfall warnings, 10 to 20 millimeters of rain Friday, a high 12 and 80% probability, up to 80% again on Saturday with a high of 9. And Kingston, your 5-day forecast, rising to 8 tomorrow. The showers start tonight, and the rain continues tomorrow. We could see up to 30 millimeters of rain, maybe more if you get caught in those thunderstorms that are associated with this. Yes, there is a risk of some thunderstorm activity. Friday, a high 10, mix of sun and cloud, and a 60% chance of showers. For Saturday, back up to 70% with a high of 8, rising to 8 Sunday. But temperatures drop through the afternoon. You could see that mixed with some flurries as temperatures drop through the afternoon. Monday, it's a mix of sun and cloud, a high 9, no showers. Now your weather wallpaper.
This weather wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Flowers and tropical plants by Pam's since 1962 with same-day delivery.
Another great sight this time of year when the crocuses are popping up. Diane Irwin of Napanee sends this one in. Lovely shot. Great contrast between the old brown dead leaves and those bright, beautiful flowers just pop. Thanks a lot, Diane. If you've got pictures, share them with us like Diane did. Send them to us at submissions at ckwstv.com.
Yes, and those spring plants are going to get lots of watering by the looks of it there, Bill.
Yeah.
You know, I think we've managed to dodge a few systems in the recent days.
Yes.
But this one, it's not the case. It's going to direct hit us, right?
And sometimes the Great Lakes Basin will do that. It's like this little, it pokes a hole, all those bodies of water, they poke a hole. So you see it coming, you think, wow, lots of rain. As soon as it gets over those bodies of water, the probability diminishes, punches a hole in that wall of rain you see coming. And I don't think that's going to happen this time.
No. Well, we'll find out what's in store in the long-range forecast a little bit later. Thank you, Bill. Some wet days ahead in the long-range forecast.
Oh, yes. 3 lows marching through. In fact, a rainfall warning for tomorrow. We could see 30-plus millimeters. Southeast winds at about 30 as well. Friday, it's up to 10 degrees, 60% chance of showers, but you may get some sunny periods. Saturday, cloudy, high 8, and a 70% chance of showers as the second low moves in. As the third one reaches a high of 8, a 40% chance of precipitation, but it looks like as things cool down, we could see some flurries. Monday, it's a mix of sun and cloud, a high 8, back to double digits over Tuesday and Wednesday, and a good chance of showers and rain again.
So if you were to add all the rain accumulation, Bill, over the next week, what do you think we're looking at?
Maybe 40, 50 millimeters. It depends what the Tuesday and Wednesday late in the week brings us. Yeah.
So definitely some wet days in store.
Yes.
But at least it'll get mild towards the end of the 7 days again.
Yeah, it's always a dip in temperatures once you get on the other side of a system, and then it starts to climb again as another warm front and wet weather heads your way.
Okay, thanks, guys. We'll be right back.
You're watching CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston.
Well, that rainfall coming your way, you may have already seen it in your backyard. Chance of showers through the evening hours, but about now we should be seeing some heavier rain. You are looking at 3 lows moving through. They've been sort of trying to organize in the U.S. Midwest, and as they come this way, we find that they continue to do that sort of dance as they head off to Atlantic Canada. But for us, what this means is just rain, a lot of it thanks to 3 lows. And as it pushes through, we could see that probability, though it wants to move on, we still see the wraparound. We still see the secondary and third low hanging in behind. So you can see the probability of showers for a few days. Rainfall warnings for some of us. Belleville, you don't have that rainfall warning. They're not giving us any numbers of accumulation. It might whip through your area a little faster, and I think the more of the rain on Thursday is going to be just east of Belleville. Friday, high 11, 40% probability of showers still. You might get some sunny periods. And Saturday, it's a high of 8 and a 70% chance of showers. Brockville, you could see up to 20 millimeters of rain tomorrow. Friday, Friday, it's up to 11 degrees with a 60% chance of showers and a high 9 Saturday and an 80% probability. Smiths Falls, rainfall warning with a high of 8, 10 to 20 millimeters is expected. You can see 5 to 10 millimeters tonight and then another 10 to 20 tomorrow. Friday, it's a high 12, 80% probability of showers, and Saturday, a high 9 and an 80% chance of showers still. Kingston, your long-range forecast, rainfall warning in effect. You get about 5 to 10 millimeters tonight, another 10 to 15 tomorrow. Yeah, you could see up to 30 millimeters plus, especially if you get into those heavier rain pockets. Does look like that'll slow down by the evening. But Friday, some sunny periods, high 9, but still a good 60% chance of showers, especially in the morning. Saturday, a high 8 and a good chance of rain again. Sunday, up to 8, 40% chance of showers or flurries. Monday, it's a high 8 with a mix of sun and cloud. And look out, Tuesday and Wednesday brings back another wet system, highs of 12 and lots of rain.